Hey guys, welcome to Cook Step by Step. Today we're making a Godiva hot chocolate with Godiva liquor. So this is the Godiva hot chocolate I got at World Market. It's dark chocolate flavored, but I think they come in different stuff. And this is the white chocolate liquor from Godiva. You can get it at most liquor stores. Bevmo will be the best. So I got a saucepan and I'm gonna add a cup of milk and 2 teaspoons of the hot chocolate mix. Now it has some sugar in it, but it's not that sweet, so if you like it sweeter, add some sugar. I'm not adding any because the liquor I'm adding is already sweet, and I will also adding some ice cream at the end, which also has sugar, so add some sugar if you like your hot chocolate sweeter. A couple minutes later, when it's heated up, it should all dissolve and look perfect. And it smells so yummy. I can't even tell you. And here I have a double glass. I'm gonna leave some room on the top. And the Godiva white chocolate is, you can drink it on its own. It's still delicious. I'm gonna add 1.5 ounces of it, and this is also very creamy, so it's almost like milk but with alcohol in it, and there is another flavor. I'm topping it with ice cream, or you can top it with whipped cream if you like, and drizzle some chocolate syrup over it, and we are finished. This is the perfect drink for a cold winter night or girls' night, or just a solo tucked up in bed, late night, hot chocolate when you're craving something sweet. This is perfect from Godiva. I love it and I highly recommend it.